Do you work in a marketing, sales, business development, customer success role at a colocation data center, or do you partner or sell to colocation data centers? If so, then you'll definitely want to watch this short video excerpted from a webinar recording we held a little while back where you'll learn colocation data center website best practices. It answers the basic question, what are the most important website best practices for a colocation data center? If you get good value from this video, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when new videos just like this go live.
So our next question is, what are the most important website best practices for a data center?
What are the most important website best practices for a data center? First and foremost, as I mentioned just a few moments ago, buyer personas are absolutely critical. Second biggest thing is to focus on, even before you get to buyer personas, is identify goals of what you're trying to achieve on your website. We call these SMART goals, the acronym SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. The goal has to be specific, like you want a certain amount of qualified leads each month, or a certain amount of sales opportunities each quarter, or a certain amount of new clients generated within the next 12 months by a certain date. So it's got to be a specific goal. It's got to be something that you're able to measure. It needs to be attainable based on your past history. It needs to be relevant to the overall mission that your marketing and sales team combined, your revenue team combined, is going after, and it must be time-bound. Everyone can make wild predictions of what they want to do in the future, but unless you assign a deadline to it, how are you going to know if you're actually making progress or if you ever reach that? If you talk to someone that's ever gone on a weight loss program, for example, they say, I want to lose 20 pounds. That's awesome. By when? And the by when is what makes all the difference, because everyone can always say, oh, I want to run the marathon. Okay, cool. Are we talking about trying to run the marathon in 6 months or in 6 years? Because that can make an enormous difference for how aggressive you train. So focus on setting goals, focus on buyer personas, and make sure that your website is concentrating on being a helpful educational resource for the ideal clients that you want to attract. If your homepage is doing things like advertising the price of your services or advertising discounts or something like that, almost like an e-commerce kind of site, there may be something majorly wrong with your strategy.
Hey there, it's Joshua Feinberg from SB Home Run. We're so glad that you stopped by to watch this video today. If you got good value, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos just like this go live. Thanks. We hope you're having a great day, and we wish you great success.